Suppose I told you that the future of AI has just taken a quantum leap forward. Imagine machines not only understanding your needs, but foreseeing them. A world where AI learns from data, but evolves with it. This isn't science fiction. It is happening right now. And this is what's called Gen 3. Welcome to AI with Win, where we explore the cutting edge of artificial intelligence and its impact on our world. Gen 3 differs from all its predecessors with comprehensive and innovative changes. We will explore groundbreaking innovations, including how this new generation of artificial intelligence, from healthcare to entertainment, is changing industries left and right while raising ethical questions. But here comes the catch. Gen 3 isn't just an upgrade, it's a paradigm shift. What does this mean for the future of AI, for our society, for you? Stick around, because by the very end of this video, you will see why Gen 3 is more than just a step forward in AI. This is the beginning of a whole new game. Gen 3, or the third generation of artificial intelligence, represents a new evolutionary stage in AI development. To understand its significance, let's first look at the previous generations. Gen 1 AI was like a librarian who knew every rule about categorizing books, but could only organize them according to those strict rules. It operated on predefined algorithms and decision trees, capable of executing tasks as long as they followed clear, explicit instructions. These systems were reliable but inflexible. Think of early chatbots or expert systems used in diagnostics. Gen 2 AI is like a librarian who not only knows the rules, but can learn new ones based on patterns they observe. This generation could analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions without being explicitly programmed for each task. Gen 2 introduced neural networks and deep learning, enabling AI to perform more complex tasks, such as image recognition, natural language processing, and game playing. This is where AI became more adaptive, but still largely dependent on the quality and quantity of data it was trained on. Gen 3 AI is different. The librarian not only learns from patterns, but can also infer the context and make decisions almost like a human, with a deep understanding of subtle nuances. Gen 3 AI goes beyond pattern recognition. It understands context, learns from fewer examples, and can adapt to new environments with minimal human intervention. It's designed to reason, make decisions in uncertain situations, and even create new knowledge. Think of Gen 3 AI as moving from a highly skilled assistant to an autonomous collaborator. It's not just about doing tasks faster or more efficiently. It's about doing them with a level of understanding and creativity that closely mimics human cognition. This shift allows AI to tackle more complex, dynamic, and unstructured problems, ones that were previously thought to be the exclusive domain of human intelligence. The leap to Gen 3 AI is significant because it pushes the boundaries of what AI can do, bringing it closer to what we might consider true artificial general intelligence, AGI. Here's why this matters. Autonomous decision-making. Unlike its predecessors, Gen 3 AI can make decisions with minimal human input. For example, in industries like healthcare, a Gen 3 AI could analyze a patient's medical history, current symptoms, and even genetic data to provide a highly personalized treatment plan. This isn't just about following a set protocol. It's about creating a new protocol tailored to an individual's unique needs. Adaptive learning. Gen 3 systems can learn from a smaller set of examples and adapt to new situations with less retraining. In cybersecurity, for instance, a Gen 3 AI could detect a novel type of cyber attack by understanding the general principles of hacking and adapting its defense mechanisms in real time, rather than relying on pre-existing data about known threats. Contextual understanding. The ability to understand context means that Gen 3 AI can be used in areas requiring deep comprehension of complex environments, like legal reasoning or advanced scientific research. For instance, in the legal field, Gen 3 AI could analyze case law, understand the broader context, and even predict how a judge might rule on a case, considering various subtle factors that a Gen 2 AI might overlook. Creative problem solving. Gen 3. AI's ability to reason and think creatively means it could be used in fields like design, art, and innovation. Imagine an AI that could not only optimize a product design based on user feedback, but also suggest entirely new product concepts that humans hadn't considered. Human-AI collaboration. Finally, The rise of Gen 3 AI will likely lead to more sophisticated human AI collaborations. In fields like education, a Gen 3 AI could act as a tutor that understands a student's learning style, identifies weaknesses, and adapts its teaching methods in real time. It's not just about delivering content, it's about understanding the learner and guiding them in the most effective way possible. The broader impact of Gen 3 AI is its potential to revolutionize industries and change how we live and work. It could drive new advancements in medicine, lead to smarter and more sustainable cities, enhance productivity across sectors, and even redefine creativity and art. The transition to Gen 3 marks a critical turning point in AI development, one that could ultimately bring us closer to the era of truly intelligent machines. Gen 3 is a revolutionary step forward in AI technology, boasting advancements that position it as a significant leap in the field. Central to this is the introduction of new architectures that redefine how AI systems process information. Unlike its predecessors, Gen 3 utilizes a hybrid neural architecture, combining convolutional neural networks, CNNs, with transformer models. This fusion enables Gen 3 to excel in both pattern recognition and contextual understanding, making it highly versatile. The hybrid architecture is further enhanced by Gen 3's advanced processing power. Leveraging cutting-edge GPUs with multi-core processing units, Gen 3 can perform complex calculations at unprecedented speeds. This results in reduced latency and improved real-time processing, essential for applications that require instantaneous decision-making, such as autonomous vehicles and high-frequency trading. Another standout feature of Gen 3 is its use of unique algorithms, particularly in the realm of unsupervised learning. Traditional AI systems often rely on vast amounts of labeled data to learn and make predictions. Gen 3, however, can self-learn from unstructured data, identifying patterns and making inferences without explicit human intervention. This capability not only reduces the dependency on labeled datasets, but also allows Gen 3 to adapt to new data on the fly, improving its accuracy and reliability over time. Additionally, Gen 3 introduces a novel approach to data compression and storage. By utilizing quantum-inspired algorithms, it can store vast amounts of information in a fraction of the space required by previous models. This innovation is particularly beneficial for applications that involve massive data sets, such as genomics and climate modeling, where data storage and retrieval speed are critical. The technical advancements in Gen 3 are not just theoretical, they are being actively implemented across various industries, showcasing their real-world impact. One of the most prominent applications is in healthcare. Gen 3's ability to process and analyze large volumes of medical data has revolutionized diagnostic procedures. For instance, it can sift through thousands of medical images in seconds, identifying anomalies with a higher degree of accuracy than human doctors. This capability is already being used in hospitals to detect early signs of diseases like cancer, potentially saving countless lives through early intervention. In the automotive industry, Gen 3 is driving the next generation of autonomous vehicles. Its advanced real-time processing and decision-making abilities allow these vehicles to navigate complex environments with greater precision. Tesla, for example, has integrated Gen 3 into its self-driving cars, enabling them to handle a wider range of driving scenarios, from busy city streets to unpredictable weather conditions. The result is a safer, more reliable autonomous driving experience that brings us closer to the reality of fully autonomous transportation. Gen 3 is also making waves in the entertainment industry. Video game developers are using it to create more immersive and responsive gaming experiences. By analyzing player behavior and preferences in real time, Gen 3-powered games can adapt dynamically, offering personalized challenges and narratives that evolve based on the player's actions. This not only enhances the gaming experience, but also opens up new possibilities for interactive storytelling. Moreover, Gen 3 is being deployed in finance, where its ability to process large datasets quickly and accurately is being used for risk assessment and fraud detection. Financial institutions are leveraging Gen 3 to analyze transaction data in real time, identifying suspicious activities and potential threats with greater accuracy. This helps protect consumers and businesses from financial crimes, making the financial ecosystem more secure. The impact of Gen 3 technology has not gone unnoticed by industry leaders. According to Jensen Huang, CEO of NVIDIA, Gen 3 represents a paradigm shift in AI technology. Its hybrid architecture and advanced processing capabilities are setting new standards for what AI can achieve. We're only scratching the surface of its potential. Dr. Fei Li, a renowned AI researcher and professor at Stanford University, also weighed in on Gen 3's significance. The ability of Gen 3 to learn from unstructured data is a game changer. It opens up new avenues for AI research and applications that were previously thought to be out of reach. The implications for fields like healthcare and education are profound. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, emphasized the importance of Gen 3 in the future of autonomous driving. Gen 3's real-time processing power is critical for the safety and reliability of self-driving cars. As we continue to develop our autonomous technology, Gen 3 will be a key component in ensuring that our vehicles can handle the complexities of the road. These expert opinions underscore the transformative impact of Gen 3 technology across multiple industries. Its advanced features and real-world applications are not just theoretical advancements, but are actively shaping the future of technology and society. Gen 3, a leap forward in technology, a new era of connectivity, and a revolution in how we interact with the digital world. But beneath the surface of this innovation lies a web of controversy, ethical dilemmas, and a battle between progress and privacy. As Gen 3 technologies become more ingrained in our daily lives, questions about ethics have emerged. Who controls the vast amounts of data being collected? Can we trust the companies behind these technologies to act in our best interests, or are we mere data points in a larger, more sinister agenda? One of the biggest concerns with Gen 3 is the lack of transparency. We don't fully understand how these systems work, and yet they're making decisions that impact our lives in profound ways. The potential for misuse is enormous, from manipulating consumer behavior to infringing on our fundamental rights. The ethical implications of Gen 3 aren't just theoretical, they're real, and they're happening now. Privacy, once a basic human right, is now a luxury in the age of Gen 3. With every step, every click, and every interaction, we're leaving behind a digital footprint that can be tracked, analyzed, and exploited. Gen 3 offers unparalleled convenience and connectivity, the ability to tailor experiences to individual preferences, streamline services, and even predict needs before they arise. These are game-changing advancements that improve quality of life. But at what cost? The more connected we become, the more vulnerable we are. Gen 3 is essentially a surveillance network, and we're willingly participating in it. The potential for abuse, whether by governments or corporations, is terrifying. While Gen 3 promises to bring us closer together, it also risks widening the gap between those who have access to technology and those who don't. The digital divide is not just about access to the internet, it's about access to opportunities, education, and the future. Gen 3 could leave entire communities behind, exacerbating existing inequalities. If we're not careful, we'll create a world where the haves and the have-nots are defined by their access to technology. Gen 3 stands at a crossroads, a powerful tool for innovation or a potential threat to our freedoms. The decisions we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. It's up to us to ensure that the benefits of Gen 3 are shared by all without compromising our rights or our humanity. What path will we choose? The introduction of Gen 3 is poised to be a game changer in the AI industry, ushering in a new era of capabilities that could redefine how we interact with technology. One of the most significant implications is the potential disruption of existing technologies. For instance, industries that rely heavily on manual data analysis could see a shift as Gen 3 systems take over complex data processing tasks, offering insights that were previously unattainable. To stay ahead of the curve and ensure you don't miss out on the latest updates and innovations in Gen 3 and beyond, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll be bringing you the most exciting developments as they unfold, so you'll always be in the know. Don't miss out. Join the conversation and stay informed on the cutting edge of technology.